Subscribe to Ashish Computer Typing Institute for more such videos. Here we will discuss the question bank of batch 102 of English 30 word per minute of dated 17 July 2019. So let's begin. In email, an attachment can be answer is all of these, that is documents, audio files, video files. The common use of internet is dash. Answer is email. Which option is used to ensure connection with Gmail server is disconnected? Answer is logout. Personal Digital Assistant PDA is micro type of computer? Answer is true. Using internet, what we can download? Answer is all of this, that is text, data, audio and video. Save option is used to make duplicate copy of a file. Answer is false. Dash comes under View tab in MS Word 2010. Answer is print layout. The art option in page border tab gives us different border designs for the page. Answer is true. In MS Word 2010, dash option is used for divide window in two parts. Answer is split window. Justified options is used to adjust the matter from both left and right side. Answer is false. In MS Excel 2010, which key combination will make the A1 cell as active cell? Answer is Ctrl plus Home, which is not the correct option to sort data after selecting it in the MS Excel 2010. Answer is Review tab sorting data. In the function of MS Excel, the address of the cell is also referred as dash. Answer is cell reference. Chart option is available in dash in MS Excel 2010. Answer is Insert tab. MS Excel extension is dash. Answer is .xlsx. Reset command is available in dash group in PowerPoint. Answer is slides. You can view a full screen presentation in dash view in PowerPoint. Answer is slideshow. The option from beginning in slideshow tab will start the slideshow from current slide. Answer is false. We can apply various dash effects to presentation. Answer is animation. The feature used to give a list in a slides are dash. Answer is bullets. Which software below is an email client? Answer is Outlook. A file having .xlsx extension represents dash file. Answer is MS Excel 2010. Dash button is seen on the extreme left hand side of the taskbar. In Windows 7, answer is Start. Primary memory is also called as dash memory. Answer is internal. Dash virus disturbs the files having .com or .exe extensions. Answer is file. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe, like and share.